Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a circle shadow in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and added a circle. Hold Shift, size. Then first of all, added shape step 1. Click Apex, added drop shadow, and now you can see this added drop shadow. Size, distance, opacity, size. Okay. And step 2, select the circle, press Ctrl J, duplicate, press Ctrl T, again press Ctrl J, then duplicate circle, then click Apex, color black, and up to down layer, press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl and select, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer, go to filter tab, blur, and use click OK. Opacity. Okay, now we can see this add circle shadow. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.